I've had the PetSnowy for a few weeks now and I am so impressed. This automatic litter pan works flawlessly. Not only does it remove any dirty litter within minutes of my cats using it, I have it set to 8 minutes. You can set it to what you want, but thanks to its fan, its deodorizer, and the fact that it's immediately pulling all the dirty litter into the bottom drawer in a plastic bag, there has been no odor from this litter pan at all. I haven't even changed out the litter, which I know I need to. So in this video, I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you the real basic, how to empty the drawer, how to keep it clean on a regular basis, and then I'm going to show you how to deep clean it. But I do need to say before we dive in that PetSnowy did send me this originally for review. This is just an extra video I'm making. My opinions are completely my own. Let's get into it. Now, when it comes down to it, there's only one thing you'll want to do on a regular basis, and that's clean the litter catch. I'm going to take off the lid so you can see what I'm talking about. And you can see right here that the litter catch has caught quite a bit of litter, and even a little bit of litter has flown up here. And this is really easy for regular quick cleans. All I do is grab the edges, and that's usually good enough for me. Yes, it still has a little litter in it, but that's fine. The main goal for me is to make sure it's clear enough that the cats aren't tracking litter out of the box. And then the next piece is to empty the bin from time to time. I'm going to pull it all the way out so you can see it. And yes, it's upset at me right now. It's alerting me that the drawer is displaced and the lid's off. And here's what the drawer looks like when you pull it all the way out. This is the PetSnowy trash bag, and it does have used litter in it. And how it works inside is that this bag actually opens up the entire way, and then when this drum spins, it just dumps everything into the bag. It only closes up when you pull the bag out. So to change it would be as easy as popping this bag off, pulling it out, tying it up, throwing it in the trash, putting it in a new bag, and putting that one on. I'm not putting on a new bag right now because this bag clearly has more space, and I'm actually going to use it for my deep clean as well. Let me show you. So I put it all back together to start the deep clean from scratch, and the first thing I'm going to do is hit the trash button, as that is going to dump all of that litter into the bottom drawer. Let me show you. Now usually I'll run it through a filter and only catch a little bit of it, but this time it is simply dumping all of it out. And here we are with a fully dumped out litter pan. You can see some spots where litter has stuck to the edges over time, and that's another reason why I'm doing this full deep clean. Now all I really need to do at this moment is empty the drawer, but I want to show you what it looks like inside when I do this. So I'm going to take off the lid and then show you that this entire drum can be lifted up and taken out. And underneath it, that is where the litter dump is. That is where the bag is. It's completely open right now and catching everything. So now I can pull out the drawer, and now it's completely full. So I will want to make sure I kind of bump it out so I can capture everything. And now it is all the litter in the box right here. And that's ready to go. So now the next most obvious place to clean would probably be this drawer, but I want to clean the inside of the PetSnowy first. Let me show you. I'm going to actually wash off the silicone mat and then scrub underneath. Definitely wash out the inside of the drum. And then there's so much that catches in here underneath the drum that I want to get that all out, and I will dump that into the drawer. And now that's super clean. So it's time to scrub out the drum. And with the drum, it can get some caught on this piece, and you can pop this out too and clean it individually. Now this is all clean and ready to go, but I'm not done yet as I haven't emptied this drawer, and there's a lot of litter that's fallen under here. And don't forget to pop in your clean litter catch. Now obviously I did not need to go through that much effort. It was really quite clean. Past dumping out the litter catch and emptying the trash, it stays really nice. But I wanted to make this video so you could see all the pieces and remove any mystery about how this machine works. It's a really clean process, really easy, obvious pieces, lovely automatic cat litter pan. All I need to do now is put more litter in, add a new bag, and we're good to go.